Hey YouTube, hey, I love my ATN X-Sight II HD, one of my favorite scopes. It's shorter than the 4K Pro, it weighs less than the 4K Pro, has a built-in lens cap, unlike the 4K Pro. There's only one issue with this thing though, just one, and that is the eye relief is not very good. It is 65 millimeters, and the eye relief on the 4K Pro is 90 millimeters, which means you got to mount the scope back further. Now, on an AR platform, it's not a big deal, because if you mount it all the way in the rear of the receiver on a AR, it's perfectly fine, which I'm sure that's what this is designed for. But this is a Savage FESR 22 long rifle. It is unloaded, clips out, nothing's in the chamber, and I've got one of these adapters that holds it back, and on the 22 at least it holds at 0, so it's not a big deal. It's just a little ungainly looking, but to be able to see at night, it's not a big deal. It's just a little tiny thing. But anyway, I love the lower price on these. I love the fact that you can use rechargeable AA batteries or lithium batteries, and they're removable. A lot of people don't know this, but with ATN, once your warranty runs out, if you have any issues, you got to pay for postage to mail the scope to them. Then you got to pay $35 for an assessment fee, and then you got to pay 2 hours of labor, which they bill at $80 an hour, plus the cost of parts if there's any issues. And I just foresee an issue one day with the other scopes not having removable batteries, and when it comes time to replace them, there being significant charges to do that, which I have a problem with. Whereas this scope will always just be able to pop batteries in and out of it. And you know what? These rechargeables don't last as long as their internal rechargeable batteries on their newer scopes, but they are field replaceable, and their newer scopes with the built-in batteries, you can't do that. So it's something to consider. Thanks for watching. One more thing I want to add about this adapter rail that allows me to mount it further back. I did actually try moving this rail back by flipping it, but then you get into the problem where the bolt doesn't clear. It obstructs and hits the rail. So I realized if I had an auto loader, that might be different, but I really didn't want an auto loader. I wanted a bolt, because with an auto loader, it's just, for me, it was too easy to just blow through ammo, and I didn't want to do that anymore. But this works good, and I'm real pleased with it.